Welcome back to yet another exciting episode in my series of getting started with OBS. So in the previous video, we looked at the basics or the essentials of OBS, and in this video, I'll be taking you through the simple steps that will guide you on how you can create a successful live stream on YouTube. So without saying any further, let's get started. So let us get into our OBS studio. And in the previous video, this is where we stopped. We added in a logo, which is up here. Then we added in a text with a background, which is this one right here. Then we also have the video, the drone video, which is playing in the background. So if you're wondering how we did this, just check out my previous video. And we are in studio mode, but we can still do this in the normal mode, which is this mode right here. So we both modes do the same way, but later in this series I'll be taking you through the studio mode separately. But for now, this can still do the same thing. So I think I can add in another video which has some audio in it. All I will do is just come here on add. I will add in a video source under the VLC, and then I will call this top notch. Let me just call this top notch background music, BG music, because we want to add in audio. Remember, these drone shots don't have audio in them. So I'll just click OK, then I'll click on add files. Then I have this background music right here called Adventurous. It's copyright free. Then click OK. The moment I click OK, it comes up here. You see up here? Yeah, that's where it goes. And remember, for every source that we add in, just right click onto it, transform and fit to screen. Then it is playing. How do we know that it is playing? You see down here, this one right here. Yeah, the top notch BG music. It's audio source. Yes, its audio gets picked in the audio mixer immediately because we have added in a video that has audio in it. So what we shall do is just get this and then just push it down so that it gets behind, and our video, our logo, and our text can be visible. So you can see this is playing, and we have options of muting it. Now it is mute. Now it is playing. You can see this mic stroke AUX is picking audio. It is picking my microphone, but it is muted. So if I activate it, now it is picking audio. It is picking what I'm speaking right now. But all I have to do is mute it. The rest are all muted. We have only one video that is playing, and we have only one audio that is playing at the moment. This is just basic background music. I'll add its link in the description below so that you can use it as well. So proceeding, for you, of course, live stream on YouTube, you need a YouTube channel. You need a YouTube channel, and it should be verified to live stream. So I hope you have that already. If you don't have it, then you can go ahead and create a YouTube channel. But by the time you watch this video, then I'm sure you have already created a YouTube channel. So all we have to do is go straight to our YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Then up here where you see the button create, that's where I will click. Then I'll click on go live. Go live, that's where I will click. It is telling me to start. I'll just click on continue. Go. It is asking whether I will use this. I'll be like yes for this time, and then I'll close all this. Alright, so if you can see down here, here, if you can see right here on the side, it is in webcam. We have stream and we have manage. For now, I will click in stream. Yes, then it will take us here. Yeah, it will prompt and ask whether it is made for kids or not. Click on no, it's not made for kids, and then save. Then we shall come here on edit, and we shall write the title and the description of the video that we are trying to live stream. If you're creating travel vlogs, entertainment, education, it could be about inspiration, anything, whatever your video, whatever your live stream is about, that's what you're going to type in here. So I can just do let me see, I will do top notch live stream test, top notch live stream test. Then in the description you can put in anything that you want, anything. I'll just copy this and then paste it in the description. In the description you can write as much as you possibly want. Here we are using a streaming software, of course. Then visibility, I'll make it private. Yeah, I'll make it private because I don't want this to be visible out there. But in your case, just make it public. If you're sure that what you're going to work on, you want it to be spread all over, go ahead and make it public. The category, I'm doing this for education, of course. Thumbnail, if you have an already, designed thumbnail, then you can go ahead and upload it. In my case, I think I'll upload my logo. Yeah, I think I should upload my logo here. Uploading, yeah, it is uploading. Then playlists, I created playlists. I have shorts, my work, OBS tutorials, and Premiere Pro tutorials. I'll just click on OBS tutorials, click OK. My thumbnail has been uploaded successfully. Then no, it's not made for kids. Scroll down, all these are not that much necessary. Most of them are on default mode, and they include things like language, tags. If you have tags, you can go ahead and include them. I can do live stream here, click on space. These tags help you in the search engine. When someone is trying to search for a particular video, then yours can come through. In case they type a word like live stream, then your video can, there are high chances that your video will show up among those videos. So you can go ahead and use these tags. I highly recommend them. Then what else? Most of these are on default mode, so you can go ahead and read through them and adjust them according to your preferences. Let's go ahead to customization. In customization, we have live chat replay, participants mode, who can send messages, anyone can, restrictions, live reactions. If you want to restrict reactions, we have live reactions, message delays, by how long do you want the messages to delay. All those are in here in customization, but we won't go deep into that. All you have to do is read through them and enable what you want and what you don't want. If you don't understand these things, just leave them on default mode. Don't change anything. Just come here, add your title, your description, the visibility, make it public. If you want it to be viewed by anyone, make it private by only those who share the link with. And then the category, add a thumbnail, add a playlist. If you don't have a playlist, just create one. It's very easy. Just come here and then click on new playlist, and then you'll be able to create a new playlist, and leave the rest to normal, and then click on save. Then the other thing is come here. So we are done creating that, so we shall come here. If you can see down here, we have stream key, and then we have the stream key says default stream key RTMPS variable. Then we have stream URL, backup URL, and all that. But what we need here is the stream key, this one right here, is that I've made visible. So all you have to do is click on copy this stream key, come here in your OBS, come to settings, then come to stream. Down here in service, you see we have Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Restream, Twitter, and all those. So you can change this. If you have your own server, you can do custom URL, but in our case we are streaming on YouTube, so I'll click on YouTube, then I'll click here on use stream key, and then I will delete this stream key that is in the default one, and then paste in the one that is from my channel. Click apply and click OK. I'll just exit this. Then once I'm done, all I have to do is click on start. streaming. When I click on start streaming, down here you will see the frame rate, the dropped rates, it's on 0%. You will see here the bandwidth that we are using, the kbs per second that we are using, and apparently we think we are using around 1 MB per second, that is 1000 kbs per second. And we can see that this is how long we have spent streaming so far. It's only 22 seconds. If we go back to our YouTube, definitely we shall be live. And how do you know that you're live? One, you can see here it says live, and we have been live for 26 seconds now. The connection is excellent. Here where you see end stream, it means you're already live. So if you want to end the stream, this is where you click. Then stream settings, let me see, analysis. This shows you the viewers that you have. Apparently I have 0 viewers because it is private, no one is able to see this. Then stream health, it tells you that the stream is excellent and the stream is healthy, so meaning you don't have any internet issues. I'll create more videos showing you how you can solve internet issues in case it is slow or lagging, but for now that's all you need. That's all you need basically. And before I complete this video, I think I should end my stream. All I have to do is click on end stream. Here it prompts whether I really want to end this. I say yes, I want to end this. And yeah, that has been it for my live stream. I'll come back here to OBS and then click on stop streaming. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video.